Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Shromus Biology. In this set of series of videos, we are talking about CSIR NET Life Science syllabus, and not only we are talking about just the syllabus, but we are talking about every single bits and pieces of the CSIR NET syllabus for every single CSIR NET Life Science units, be it biochemistry, cell biology, molecular biology, what kind of units it is, and we are going to talk about the most important topics and subtopics from that syllabus, not just any expert news. No, this is based on the 10-year CSIR NET question paper analysis. Yes, I analyzed CSIR NET question paper for past 10 years thoroughly and found out that the CSIR NET, although the syllabus is huge, but the questions are repeatedly asked from few topics again and again. And if we prepare those topics, then we can cover our CSIR NET syllabus in less time frame and with a better overall preparation skill that will give us confidence of answering CSIR NET questions, and that matters the most. So what are we waiting for? We are going to dig in to talk about not only the syllabus, the most important units, and I'm going to give you the five most important topics from all the CSIR NET units, and also I'm going to give you an important idea of regarding the importance that you need to give for the analytical question or for the memory based question for that unit, and also going to tell you whether you're going to get more part C questions or more part B question from that unit. So if you want to know all these things, then watch this whole series of CSIR NET Life Science syllabus decipher or CSIR NET Life Science, all about CSIR NET Life Science syllabus video series, and 13 videos are there in the list. So let us begin. Right everyone, so we are here with the CSIR NET Life Science Know Your Syllabus series, and Know Your Syllabus series, and this is the unit 2, CSIR NET Life Science unit 2, that is CSIR NET Life Science Cell Biology. And in cell biology, first we are going to talk about the different topics and subtopics that are there as per the syllabus. So nothing fancy here, I don't write anything, I just copied and pasted the syllabus, but we have this color grading: green most important, yellow moderately important, red least important. So we have this syllabus for you. So starting with this membrane structure and function. Cell membrane structure and function is very important. Be it the structure of the membrane and function of the membrane, both are important. Structure of the membrane is little bit more important than the function of the membrane. Next one, here we have the structural organization and function of intracellular organelles. So organelle structure and function. Now in the organelle structure and function, the cell wall is important, and cytoskeleton as an organelle is most important among all. Okay, so these are the two moderately important. Then we have organization of gene and chromosomes. Here we have the chromatin structure, and also we have beads on a string model. Okay, and the organization of the chromosome, we are going to talk about the formation of the CpG island part, and also we have this repetitive DNA, heterochromatin, euchromatin, transposons. All these things are present there. So gene families, chromatin, chromosomes, and organization of the chromosomes are yellow, moderately important. But the repetitive and unique DNA, heterochromatin, euchromatin, transposition, that part is even higher important. Okay, next is cell division and cell cycle, and this is the most important topic from unit 2, CSIR NET Life Science syllabus unit 2, right? Cell cycle regulation, cell cycle checkpoints and regulation with all the name of the proteins, and cell signaling related to cell growth, all are very important. And we have microbial physiology, that is a microbial growth, yield, and all these things. Earlier CSIR have asked questions, but these times, for past 3-4 exams, they're not asking much of questions. So microbial physiology is, according to me, least important among all the topics. Now let's move on to the question pattern for CSIR NET Life Science unit 2. Okay, so we have the analytical questions, less number of analytical questions you will get from unit 2, more memory based questions you will get from unit 2, although you will have part C questions. So among part C and part B, almost equal questions you are going to get in part C and part B. But in part C questions also from CSIR NET unit 2, you are going to get more memory based questions, because even though this is cell cycle regulation, there are name of the enzymes involved there, proteins involved there. You need to memorize a lot of things in order to answer even part C questions. Many of you have believed this idea that part C means is mostly analytical, but actually in part C questions there are memory based elements in analytical questions as well. So before going into the next part of our discussion, there is 5 most important topics from this unit. Let me tell you one simple idea. If you enjoy this video, if you like this kind of knowledge, this kind of information, like who someone studies the complete syllabus and give you a clear gist of that syllabus and topics, so that you can prepare in the less number of months, in the less amount of time to cover most of the syllabus, then you can think of joining Shomu's Biology online coaching program, we have all this tailored for you. You can get this ready-made available at your disposal, and you can get our study material. You can still get some benefit from it. So we have different kind of packages depending upon your requirement, also depending upon the affordability. So you can try out any of our service, either study material or our coaching services. If you want to get this, the link here in the description, and also we have this number that is popping in this site. This is our universal number. You can contact this number, WhatsApp this number. The admission for the coaching process will continue, and if obviously we take the students from the admission time frame, which is 2.5 months, and beyond that time we don't take anyone in the middle. So if the admission is going on, we'll definitely cater you for that session, or I'll tell you to wait for the next session. So you can try this out, and I believe that no one is offering 2 years validity with that much of price point that we are offering. So you're going to get everything for 2 years, and 2 years means 4 NET examinations. So it will obviously increase your chance to qualify CSIR NET examination even when you are not in touch with us. So what are you waiting for? If you wish to join, you can always join in here. Next is the final bonus point for you, top 5 must read topics for unit 2. And here we have first cell cycle, cell membrane structure and function. Second one, cell cycle regulation, cell cycle checkpoint. And third one is cytoskeleton as an organelle. The rest, all the other organelles are not that important. What you need to know is the number of membranes that they have. That is more important. Their function is more important. Then we have genome organization part. That is the CpG island portion will be there. Methylation, DNA methylation will be there, and the histone modifications will be there. Epigenetic modifications. We have cell wall and organelles. The last one, cell wall organelles. Among them, the organelles, cytoskeleton, we have already listed. So here the membrane bound nature of the organelle, cell wall structure is a little bit important, but still is least important part. There are mostly the 4 topics. The first 4 ones are most important. This is what you can study in order to fast pace your preparation.